This is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. I'm so excited with you all because we're doing something special. We're halfway through the year already. I know it went by pretty fast, but we're halfway through the year already. And I don't know where you are with your goals, but there's still time left this year. We believe in you so much that we are giving you an opportunity to speak to one of our 850 representatives and go over your credit report for free. All right, now we're only going to do this for 1 day, and that's going to be for this Wednesday. Now, how do you take advantage of the free credit report audit? Essentially, our credit checkup. It's where we look at your credit report, we discuss your goals, and we essentially look at your report and let you know exactly what we can do to help you and let's make sure that you're on the right track. But make sure that we can help you accomplish your goals. Some people, you may be on track for your goals, but you may say, you know what, I want to go into homeownership, and we're going to let you know exactly what we can do to help you get there. You may say, well, I want to get a higher limit credit card. I want to improve my credit score. I want to lower my car payment. Whatever that is, you'll be able to discuss that, with our representative for a short period of time, and that's going to be on this Wednesday. So how do you take advantage of that? All you have to do is click on the link below. It's in the description, okay? All you have to do is click that link and then follow the steps from there. That's number one. Number two, you must have Identity IQ. Now, I know we talk about a lot of different credit monitoring platforms. The reason why I strongly recommend this one is because it's the cheapest way for us to see all 3 credit bureaus, and of course, it's at no additional charge. Of course, you can get the 1 day, the 7-day, dollar trial, and if you decide to keep it, that's on you. But we're used to seeing that platform throughout the entire time, so it's best that we keep it that way throughout the entire process. So number one, click the link below, but it's gonna ask you for your Identity IQ login credentials. Okay, so of course you got to sign up with Identity IQ. If you decide to keep it, that's on you. But either way, we strongly recommend to make this work. Now listen, it's still time left in this year to accomplish your goals. We're gonna help you get there, but you got to take the first step. I'll see you there.